Hey everybody, how you doing? Ray O'Brien here. You know, tonight I'm going to show you something extremely easy. The whole idea here is simple cocktails at home. I'm going to show you a super simple cocktail called the Stinger. Now the Stinger is just brandy or cognac and Creme De Menthe. Now usually it's white Creme De Menthe, but I'm going to try to be festive and use some green stuff. Especially us Irish guys, we like green stuff. Okay? So I'm going to show you how easy this is. So first what you're going to do is get your shaker. Ray, how come you don't use your new shaker? Your wife got you. She says I gotta wash all this stuff first. You gotta wash it first. Okay, I haven't washed it first. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay. So I got some ice, some cracked ice out of my square ice cube tray. First gonna put our ice in there. First thing we do is throw our ice in there. And we throw our 2 parts of cognac in there. Okay, now my buddies Vino from New York and Rob, yeah, hey there, from Canada, have put together a 2020 martini challenge. So I'm sure I'm gonna do some festive martini stuff, and I'll get on that very soon. So we're going to put 2 parts of cognac in there and just a little bit over a half of Creme De Menthe. This stuff is very sweet. So we're going to put a little bit over a half of Creme De Menthe in there. Then we're going to give that a good shake for like 10-11 seconds. Now, even though it's named the Stinger, it's got a pretty mild-mannered name to it. Packs quite a punch. So you want to be careful with these. Get yourself a Hawthorne strainer. The first thing you want to do is get yourself a glass out of your chiller, or just throw your glass aside. Put some ice in it to get it cold. Okay, I got me a glass in my chiller. Look at the frost on that baby. Then we're simply going to strain that thing into our glass. And then what I'm going to do, even though this doesn't call for it, I'm going to throw a little bit of rum chata whipped topping on there so that I can float my cherry on top. I'm going to grab my rum chata. Now this is something you can also mix with your Hennessy. People go, what can I make with Hennessy? You can do this with your cognac, you can do this with your brandy. I'm going to throw a little bit of topping on there just so I can kind of float my cherry on top. That doesn't sound right. Okay. Then just grab you some maraschino cherries. Now a lot of people like the Luxardo cherries. I'm going to use a maraschino cherry just for the bright red because of the festive for Christmas time. Get it? Okay. So get your little maraschino cherry on there. Float it right on top there. Yeah. Get your maraschino cherry and float it right on top there. Don't drop in the... Sort of on there. Okay. And then what do we do next, my friends? We give it a whirl! Give it a whirl, right? Okay. Tastes pretty good. Tastes pretty minty, because the Creme De Menthe, like I said, use this stuff sparingly. This stuff is very sweet. So this is your Stinger. Brandy and Creme De Menthe. Usually I use a white Creme De Menthe, but I'm trying to be festive. You might want to subscribe so you can be sure you get all my videos when they come out. But like this, but definitely shoot me a comment back, my friends. Tell me, do you like brandy? Do you like cognac? Do you like Stingers? Do you like drinks in the winter? Everybody likes drinks in the winter. Everybody likes drinks in the summer. But like I always tell you, my friends, just remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail, man. Man, I'm losing my voice. I got to believe just in time for the next round. See you later.